Did you know the Hoover Dam was a pioneer in using concrete cooling pipes? This innovation was crucial to prevent the massive structure from cracking as it cured. Engineers embedded a network of steel pipes within the concrete, circulating cold water to dissipate heat. This method allowed the dam to set evenly, avoiding structural weaknesses. Today, this technique is a standard in large-scale construction, ensuring stability in skyscrapers and bridges worldwide. The Hoover Dam's cooling system not only revolutionized construction, but also paved the way for modern engineering marvels. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech wonders.